welcome back to All Things with Tip. So today I'll be doing a quick weave with an invisible part using the Empire Yaki hair. I'll be using 1B and 99J. I use the 1B in the back and I use the 99J on top. So what I'm doing here is just taking some leftover of the 99J that I had from another quick weave, and I'm cutting a section off. And what I'm doing here is I am splitting the tracks, and I'm doing this for my invisible part. You'll see me get ready to switch over just to my straight razor because it was a little bit easier to cut it with the straight razor. Okay, so now I have split the tracks, and now I'm cutting it up into pieces. And what I'm going to do is take these pieces and I'm going to place them on each side of my part as closely as possible. Here I'm just adding some spritz just to kind of hold it down a little bit more once it dries. And you can see I'm laying them down. I'm trying to get it as close as possible to the part and to the track. Okay, and now I'm just going to do the same thing to the other side. And once I'm done with this other side, I'm just going to lay my tracks like a normal quick weave. And you can see that here. I also added my closure on the top as well. Now I'm just taking all that excess hair on the bottom and just kind of thinning out those ends just a little bit because I want it to be natural. And I wanted to have a great fall to it no matter how I want to wear it, whether it's more straight or curly. Usually I'll start out with more curls and then I will won't curl it, and then I'll just kind of let those curls fall however they fall, and then I'll just wear it that way. But you can see me here cutting layers in it with the razor. And I tried to do this all the way around. It's kind of difficult trying to do it on my own, but I think I did pretty good. And what I'll do is just let you all continue watching, and then I will come back a little bit later. you can see me here going in with my clippers, even in those ends out. I think I did it kind of shorter in the back, just a little longer on the sides, but not too much longer. I was really satisfied with this cut. I know this is not the final product, but I was really happy with this cut. This is the best cut that I've done on myself so far. Usually when I try to use those razors, my cut does not come out right, and I've always tried to use it and it never comes out right, but it came out really well this time. I was super happy with the cut. I felt like if I didn't want the curls, I still could have worn it straight and maybe just bumped it a little bit with the light layers in it. Also, guys, make sure you share, like, and subscribe. I hope to bring you more content more often. I know I haven't been on here in quite some time, but right now I am growing my hair out, so I'm trying to do these protective styles so I don't have to do anything to my hair. So I do hope to come back with more videos just to kind of show you what I'm doing to my hair and my process for growing out my hair. I'll be right back. So I am done with my cuts, and I am about to get ready to curl my hair. But before I curl it, I am going to spray it with this Sebastian shaper. And after I've sprayed the hair, I am going to comb that through before I curl it. And this is just a hairspray to help hold my curls. really love this Empire hair. To me, it's still natural, and you can get it at. It's very inexpensive. I think it was like 2 for $20 at my beauty supply. Um, and so I really like this hair because for a quick weave, it's not something that I just want to, wear 2 weeks, and it's something I'm just gonna wear 2 weeks and then take out and discard it. So I really like this hair. Sometimes depending on how I put my quick weave in, I can probably go 3 to 4 weeks. But I love to get my hair shampooed every 2 weeks. I'm not sure if you all noticed in the beginning, I left just a little tiny bit of hair out near my part just so I could make it look natural in the front. Um, so I just kind of slicked it back just to look natural, so it would look like some hair was still out. So I gave myself some baby hairs, and then I just sprayed it with the shine spray at the end. As you can see, I'm loving my hair. As the curls failed, it looked even better. I was so happy with this cut and the finished product. Thank you guys so much for watching. Make sure you share, like, and subscribe. Follow me at All Things with Tip on Instagram, and check out Obsessive Shoe Addict. It's www.obsessiveshootaddict.com. Peace.